Here. We're moving. It's at the airplane. We're at the airplane.
Where are you going?
Again?
One more time. Yay.
It's the third time. Third time. Hindi, nag-unbound tayo.
Third time.
Tatlo na. It's the third time.
Yeah, third time.
Ito na nga.
Uy, pang-vlog to, pang-vlog.
Ito na nga.
Hi, welcome to...
Si PBB ano daw?
Naka-subscribe na ba kayo?
Si PBB actor daw. Nag-cheat.
Pangalaw sa ilaman ng Jolen. Kaya ito yung ano. Paano maglaro ng Jolen? Apat tayo. Lahat tayo may maglalagay.
Ulitin ko sa mga hindi nakaano ha.
Hindi ako marunong nag-Jolen ka ba? Di ba pang lalaki yun? Pang lalaki.
Paano ka tumira ng Jolen?
Yun man. Tapos may iyan pa yan, babasagin mo yun sa kalapin. Sa...
Kapag inatay muna, yan, kunyari may marmol ka, tapos palapitan ka. Kung sino yung nandito, siya yung nabigyan.
Meron pa bang yun?
Oo, meron. So, kunyari ako to, tinira ko si... Ay, mali.
Uy, wag.
Tinira ko yung hole.
Okay. Okay.
Tapos hindi ko tinamaan, kaya dito muna tirahin.
Hindi mo tinahin
Paso ng iba.
Oo, ikaw na yung kasunod eh.
Then switch, you want to switch? You can do seatbelt na lang. Wait, you want to switch? Okay. Seatbelt na lang.
Air seatbelt po.
First seatbelt na. So, nakagay. Tapi na tayo seatbelt. May mga batutan. Seatbelt on the other side. Storage.
Sala natin yung bus.
Yeah. Wait, did that Nice. Help me. This is our own bus. Help me. Exclusive. Help me. Hey, help Brad. Other side.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo.
May malita. Wala bang manis sa tubig?
Ito po ang Bintan Tour 2024. Ang yaman nyo ha.
Natakot sila sa akin eh.
Sarili. Mas kayo ha.
Crazy.
Tesla pala to eh, may sariling charger.
Okay. Forward. Okay. I know. I drive in Bintan Lagoon.
She's a professional buggy.
Meron palang ganon.
Sige. I drive before.
Okay, thank you.
Professional buggy driver.
I drive before.
There's a pinky cassie!
So noisy.
Wow!
airport. Wow! Time.
Wow.
So lahat na may breakfast na, kahit yung bata.
Hindi na magpupusulit mo.
Oo. Team Puslit.
I want to go to the swimming.
Wait lang, wala pa nga yung damit mo.
Ganda naman.
Open already. Oh. Bukas naman na pala. Wow, it's like
Are you taking a video of me?
yeah.
I don't know. Hello? Can you turn and do, oh yeah, you can.
You have to reverse.
Can you turn?
Yun yata ang back.
Reverse.
No, this is reverse.
You have to do reverse. Slowly. No, you have to move a bit. Okay, then you go back and then you repeat. And then you do it again. Go right. Go
Turn?
Right. Turn right, yeah.
I think you move
No,
back
is it
more.
even? Yes,
Move back
no,
more,
Zay,
move back more.
you have to like, go back and then reverse, then go back, then reverse.
Move back more so you can go
Zay,
on that platform.
Zay, you're gonna crash. Zay, you cannot drive.
I never claimed I could.
Go, this is your practice. Go.
Reverse.
Yeah, just reverse until
You
that
can reverse there. Dun pa.
Where?
Meron pa dun. Daan.
Really?
Yeah, you
turn?
go straight.
Okay, then you go all the way to where she's saying.
Can there even be a turn?
But you can't, Zay, you can. You just have to reverse, then you have to go back.
Because
go
there's
turn
a
right.
intersection there, so you can easily.
Just move around. You have to turn right when you want to move. So that you
I
reverse
want to
back.
learn how to reverse actually.
Well,
What's the wheel that I could?
yeah, but
Baka mahulog tayo.
or you reverse other way now. Because you can.
just go there.
So you go there.
No.
No.
Okay, try going back slowly.
Pero, ganon, yan. Oops. Eh?
Stop. Okay, then you
Patot.
there. Go right. Go right. Yes, go right. I can say
Turn
go
first,
right.
turn. Yeah, turn.
Slowly.
Okay.
Yan, yes.
Okay.
Okay, and then you
go
stop and then go reverse a little.
Okay.
And
A
then you
little
repeat
bit.
until-
Okay, stop.
Reverse.
No, but you have to turn
No, you
back.
turn here. That way.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
what I'm trying to learn.
Oops!
And then the other
Then,
way.
wait, you turn first. You turn your wheel first before
Ang
you
bigat!
drive. Okay, drive. Okay.
We're gonna go into that.
Okay.
Wait, stop. Okay, stop. And then
Then,
reverse ulit.
you
Then
pull first.
so when you go forward,
Yeah.
you go turn right.
Yeah.
But then when
Full
you go
one,
reverse,
full.
you go left. She's using
Okay.
the whole
body weight to turn the steering wheel.
It's so heavy pala. Okay, see, you're moving.
Okay, turn again.
Okay, one more.
Okay, this one, be careful.
This
be
is,
careful.
yeah, there's
Turn again, turn. Full turn, full turn.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay,
Go.
then go forward, turn right. Yeah.
Okay. Should be good already.
Yeah.
Then you
Wow.
push back. Okay.
Okay, then you
Okay, go straight.
Walan. Yay! Did it. Turning is watching. That's even worse. I see it. Look where you're
He
going.
was
You're
just
going to
watching
the-
silently.
Good.
Be careful, ah. Don't hurt.
No.
Abot pa kayo dito?
Hindi ako.
Ayun, practice mo na yung tinuro mo. Tinuro sa atin. Starfish ka lang. Starfish. Lalim ba? Baka malunod tayo. Ano?
Oh my god! Why is it so sad? It's so far!
Wait, I think it's like that, right?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I smiled at open my eyes.
I didn't open it.
I was like,
I was scared.
1, 2.
yeah, my island is gone.
Ganyan! Ganyan, kukunin ko eh. Teka lang. Kukunin ko.
I got it.
You got it, Ate.
Oh, gawin natin ano, yung parang piso.
Wait. Ulo ko lang yung ano.
Sira ng piso?
Ito yung yakagi. 1, 2, 3, go! Hindi ako kuha.
Record ba? Cellphone? Kala ko may cellphone eh. 3, go!
Wow,
Ang bilis na kayo.
may sinasabi sila eh.
Ano?
Pakol sa apoy.
Ngayon kailangan nyo basahin. Ganyan yung reklamo.
Sala sa init.
Oo,
Sala sa lamig.
Sabi ni Ace, no?
Ano, kamusta? Medyo ano, okay naman.
May taste. May tester pala dito.
Ramsay yung sasabihin mo eh. Right kind of bird. Kulang pa. Sunog.
Kulang pa sa sunog.
Hanguin na ba? Nasa tubig? Oo. Hindi nga.
Ang tubig?
Medyo na nilasa, medyo na liyo.
Oo, no? Pero ang sausawa.
Apologize, I'm sorry.
Gawin 5 minutes.
Papatong ka dito.
Sunog na. Tubig.
Hawakan ka lang.
Good morning.
I'm going to beach.
Going to the beach? We're going to eat first.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Wait for Daddy.
Dad, come.
Dalil pa. Dami mo alam. Daming alam ni Sir. Good morning. It's day 2 and we're off to breakfast. At least malamig ang panahon. Wow. Basa. Brent. Look here. Don't shout. It's morning. Enough. Okay.
Nililinis ko yung beach, oh. Bari lang. Sama mo na sa event. Hindi pa na daw yung bola eh.
Sama mo na sa event.
Where we going to beach?
Mga ilang points lang for a team.
Brent.
Tyler? Yeah, you want to borrow the filter? Tyler?
The one that you put here.
Natry mo na yung drone?
Ay, marunong na sila.
Tito Ace, ito naman daw.
Dapat nilalis mo yung case
Alis-
kasi malaki masyado.
Tapon mo yung phone.
Bagay case nga.
Ganun, no?
Yung video na naman. Yung may tatakbo pang ganyan. Magkaganon mo sa alin. Lie down.
These are your foot.
It's not actually confirmed devil. It's like a script.
I cannot anymore! My feet is too weak for that.
Last year kasi nataya tayo. Oo, sabi, ano daw.
Hindi ako! Ang score ba yung nadaan sa ilalim?
Oo, under.
Oy!
May pang bomba tayo.
Tayo.
Oy!
Oh, what happened?
Mahangin, mahangin.
What happened?
What happened? Hindi mo lang tumama.
Ano ba kami? Dapat tayo.
Dapat nakatayo yung ano.
1-0.
1-0. Best to 3. Lapitan natin.
Yeah!
Oy! Magaling to si Kita.
Yun!
Nakaapat eh. Oo nga no. Apat. Sikip pala lahat yun. Wala si Hollis.
Ako pala yun?
Ikaw pala yun. Wala si Hollis. Me first.
Na ba? 1-all.
Baka, di tumama eh.
Ang layo. Sorry. Oh no. Ano ba?
Yun!
Hindi pa din.
Dito kami.
Oh!
Paano ba kasi pupunta siya sa gitna?
Ay,
Yun na.
Yun oh!
Muntik na.
Ang hirap mag-aim.
Si Kid dapat eh. Uy, yun daw. Kabahan na kayo. Pinayapang.
Pinpayabang.
Ay.
1-0. Ano nila yan? Ayun si Kid oh. Uy!
Oh!
Lea, ay Lea. 1-1 ba kayo?
Ako, kami.
Hey, saan doon lang?
Ako saan?
Go!
Police to. Mag-knife me.
Mind yung error. Ay!
Out!
Out!
I'm scared.
1, 2, 3, go!
Wait! Elena.
Oh,
Wait.
you have mama.
I will catch. Okay.
Sa mukha ni Kai.
It's okay. Alice and Pop!
Ganun ha?
May ganon?
Palabo. Ay, napalabo. Eh.
Friend! Slowly!
Okay, one step back.
Take one step.
Dad, assist mo si Elena.
I got it!
1,
Wait, don't press it!
3.
Oh, that's still good?
It's okay. As long as it's
As long as it didn't pops?
yeah.
Okay.
Dad,
Sige.
assist mo si Elena. Oh, wait.
Enough ha? Enough.
Uy! Sander!
Yeah, almost the pass!
Almost?
Brad, catch it! Please, catch it! We caught him his hole.
Hold down.
At the same time.
Ay, kayo muna!
Kayo muna.
Higher, Sander, higher!
Don't drop. Just hold it.
It's okay!
Ready?
It's okay.
Ay, 6 stars! 6 stars! 6 stars! Thank you! Bumblebee!
Bumblebee! Bumblebee!
One. O, tama na. Bigla lang.
Okay, good. Shoot. Next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay.
Winner!
Okay, we have a winner. Hindi daw nakatulog dahil sa horror story.
Hindi ako nakatulog, seryoso. Pagising-gising ako. Sabi ko pa,
Tapos sumisilip ka sa window niya.
samahan mo ako mag-toilet.
Ayan yung ano, nasa gitna yung pool.
Ayan.
Yan daw yung mahal eh.
Guys, third day today.
Last day.
Last day. Water sports, snorkeling. Dala may snorkeling gear mo? Yung Olympic pala natin, isang game lang eh. Olympic game lang pala eh.
Tig-isa lang kayo ni Isaiah ng game.
Dalawa pala, isang water balloon, tsaka ano.
Good morning! Good morning! Mauna na kami dun.
Saan kayo tatama?
Dun sa may water sports.
Doon sa water sport.
Naghahanap na siya ng traps.
Yung sa taas ng daddy niya. Parang may mali.
Yung face niya. Yung ulo. Ako mag-i-snorkeling.
Dami nga.
Daming epektus.
Halika, shot na muna tayo.
Ay, walang nakalimutan ko yung baso.
Baso?
Ano ba yan?
Backtrack reveal. Backtrack reveal.
Wow, there's so many water!
Here we go.
Give to Kyler also. Kyler din.
Let's go. Let's go.
Kyler also. How about Kyler?
Let's go. Let's go. Put more. Let's go. Golf cart.
Mami, I want.
Sabi yan ni Brett, where did you buy that? May bumibili na. Bargain.
Okay.
Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya